Hello guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ito po guys ay late vlog ko na po kasi po taken po ito last July 2024. Pero hindi ko lang po na-upload kaagad. So ito yung po ang vlog na magpapakita sa inyo yung pag-travel namin ng aking anak papuntang Manila at yung pag-apply ko po papunta dito sa Middle East. So, tunghayan nyo po guys, makikita nyo kung saan kami nagstay sa Manila and all that stuff. At ang aming pag-travel from our city to Manila. So, samahan nyo kami guys.
Good evening, boarding. We're calling the attention of our remaining passengers of Philippines Air Asia flight Z2314, bound for Manila.
Tired, both of them. They have their own life. The other one is watching movie, I think, and the other one is scrolling TikTok. Hey buddy, you're tired. Are you tired?
No.
Hey, how about you, young lady?
K-drama.
K-drama. Hopefully our flight will not be delayed because it's raining today heavily in the airport. Actually, a while ago there was a brownout in the airport. Anyway guys, we're still waiting for our flight. It's around 8:40 p.m. already, but they are not announcing us for boarding. I think the flights are delayed. Some flights are delayed because of the rain, heavy rains. So there, the airport is very crowded because of the delayed flights. So watch out for our next adventure.
We are here in Green Mall. We are booked here for 3 days because I am going somewhere, so we stay here for a while. So we are on the 43rd floor. So this is the ground floor. I'm with my cousin. Okay. I will give you a tour on our room once we are upstairs. So ito po guys ang look dito sa baba. Okay. So, pupunta po kami sa 43rd floor. Kami guys sa 43rd floor. So, ito yung aming room 4339. Namin guys, ito yung makikita nyo. Meron dyang kitchen. So, pwedeng gumamit ng stove. Meron na rin silang free na water. Merong heater. Merong mga utensils. Meron na rin na free na dishwashing soap. Then, ito yung cupboard nila. May mga wala namang nakalagay. Ito mga utensils. And then, yun ang makikita nyo. Dalawa bali ang bed. dalawang double bed. So, may aircon dyan, may electric fan din, merong TV, may wifi, may ref. Then, ito yung room, yung bathroom, yung bathroom. So, dyan yung sink, meron din silang shower area. So, pasensya na magulo guys. Ito yung bed nila actually. Tapos, pwede ka ding maghang ng mga damit mo dyan. So, yung isang bed nila, ginawa na namin stock room. Yung aming mga things. So, dyan. Nakalagay. So, yun guys. Ito po yung aming temporary bahay for 3 days. Nagbook kami ng 15. Mag-end kami ng 18. So, guys. Kakain muna kami sa aming munting room. So, ang food namin guys, actually, fried chicken, tsaka may dala yung pinsan ko na banana shoot with pork. Bamboo shoot. So, itong 1 piece fried chicken with rice, 80 lang. Diyan sa baba. At least mura na siya. Then, meron pa kami mga baon-baon dito. Yung ito, baon pa namin ito. Kahapon. Pwede pa po. Niluto ng asawa. So, yung rice ko na now, later ko na siya kakainin. Yung rice ko kagabi. So, kain tayo guys. By the way, sa akin mga supporters, mag-OFW na ulit ako guys. So, that's why I'm here in Manila. I am not expecting this event to happen in my life. Kasi akala ko, forever na ako sa Philippines. Pero yun, syempre pag nandoon ka na sa Philippines, iba na yung perspective or yung mga needs natin. So, I need to go back. Anyway, kain muna tayo guys. We're hungry. I'm from the agency. Natapos na namin yung orientation. At binigay naman papers. We're just waiting for the OEC and then the ticket. So, hopefully this week. Anyway, let's eat while watching Jumanji in the YouTube. Okay? Pwede rin natin yun. Hapsang tiguran isa. Okay lang. Sorry. Excuse me.
So, from our hotel, ito po yung nakikita natin guys sa ilalim. Yan. Ang Metro Manila. So, dahil mataas kami, makikita talaga natin ang maganda sa ilalim natin. So, yan po guys. So, we're waiting for our breakfast na because it's 7:30. Medyo late nga sila ngayon kasi meron din kaming free breakfast. As to my side, still waiting pa rin po kung kailan ang aking flight. So, at last guys, dumating na rin ang aming breakfast. Pasensyahan nila yung aking likod kasi dyan ko tinambak ang aking mga things. Okay. Meron po tayong toasted bread. Tapos, ito yung coffee. And then, meron tayong spaghetti. Yun po ang aming breakfast ng aking pinsan for today. And of course, for the moment, stay muna kami dito until tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow pa yung last day namin na nag-book dito while waiting for my flight. So hopefully, tomorrow na yung aming flight. Until 19. Kasi yung pinsan ko may attendance siya na wedding sa 20. So, whether makakaalis ako or hindi, she has to go back to Iloilo. Kasi yung ate na niya is in Bacolod pa. So, she has to go back before that time sa 20. Anyway, guys, mag-breakfast muna ako and I'll keep you updated sa aking journey ngayon, sa aking pagbabalik sa Gitnang Silangan. And sa lahat ng subscribers ko at saka sa mga members, thank you so much sa unwavering support na binibigay niyo sa aking channel. Hopefully, makabalik din ako sa inyo ng support one of these days pag medyo okay na yung lahat. God bless and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye! See you in my next vlog.